Hi, welcome to another Particl Development update, and thank you for joining. My name is Desiree. I'm a Particl community member and spokesperson. All you really need to know about me is that I'm in love with Particl. Particl is the ultimate privacy cryptocurrency that is currently building its first decentralized application, a marketplace. To get everyone's favorite question out of the way, there is no hard set date for the release of the marketplace beta or the ringCT hard fork, which is required for the marketplace release. However, it is likely to be by the end of the year. Let's start with the status report, which tells us what the development team is focusing on. It's based on broad categories such as the marketplace testnet, the Particl desktop client, and Particl core client. Under each, items move from upcoming features to in development to waiting for review, and there's also recently completed. The marketplace beta and hard fork with ringCT are what most people are looking forward to. The marketplace has to have ringCT and governance completed for launch. Looking at the status reports, there are new marketplace builds available. Something recently completed is adjustable ring size value. So that is when you're using ringCT, you can select what level of security you have by selecting how many other transactions will be bundled in with your transaction, and that's based on the ring size. This was already available for Particl Core, but is now a feature for the desktop client that hosts the marketplace. There is now a help and support menu for the GUI. Community proposals, part of the governance system, is now on testnet. Staking pool statistics are also now under review. Looking at the now in development portion of the status report, there is now coin weight, so one coin will equal one vote when it comes to governance. Something new that is also under development is that the voting period is being switched from being block-based to being time-based. A new upcoming feature that has been added is inventory management, which will hopefully attract larger sellers to the platform, to the marketplace. There is a new video tutorial available on how to cold stake with Ledger. So now there are both article and video instructions, and the recent Particl Core release 0.17.02 fixed a Ledger-related issue that Mac OS users were having. Some additional things that were covered in the last live stream were that we had a very successful meme contest. These were my favorites. The one with Paul getting old was one of my favorites. There's also an ongoing slogan contest. You can sign up for the recently launched forum and vote there. There's also a cold staking sneak peek, which I'll show here, which was something mentioned by Gerloff or CRZ, who does the user interface design for Particl, and some of the front-end work on the Particl website, for example, particularly the images. Someone wanted to know about Changelly integration into the marketplace. Particl does work with Changelly, but that is not currently on the roadmap. Particl was also working with Indocoin, another cryptocurrency exchange, but due to privacy issues and not wanting to sacrifice privacy, something that is a core value for Particl, that has been dropped. Another question was whether or not the team could make atomic swaps more friendly. This is something that will happen in the future. However, it is not the current focus of the development team to make it more user-friendly to anybody, say someone like me, for example, who is not a developer. A good reminder is that the Particl marketplace is in testnet phase, and so what is being built is for a basic product that functions. So certain features that people want to see may come in later, even though developers want to work on them. Right now, the biggest milestones to get the marketplace up and running are governance and ringCT. A concern that was brought up about ringCT is that if you do not have a lot of transactions on the chain, then you can't hide or muddle the information. So it reduces the overall security of using ringCT if you don't have a lot of volume. If the marketplace is in use, this is obviously a good way to bring volume onto the Particl chain. Something else that is happening is that Technovert is looking into ringCT refinements. Not complete overhauls, but these might translate into dealing with the issue of low volume on a chain and also dealing with transaction size. Looking at the audits done for Particl and for Monero as well. You can keep up to date with Particl development by looking out for these video updates, participating in the bi-weekly AMA facts on Reddit, and reading the community updates at Particl News. Particl is also now on Blockfolio, and you can get automatic updates. That's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.